Okay, Johnson, we have, the $6 million question for you because, you are able to fix almost everything, okay? How do you fix a broken heart?
Okay, I'm not so good at that. Okay, but yeah, I'm not the love doctor and stuff like that. But I think, personally, just be very sincere to the person. I think communication is always the key. Set the right expectation is very important. So these are all under the same topic. I think if you have that to start off with, maybe less chances of broken heart. But if it's already happened, I think the same step lah. First, diagnose and see what's the problem, right? Why is it broken in the first place? Okay, so we list it down, just like what engineers do, just like how you do repairs. Okay, so these are the causes. Okay, so how to fix these causes, right? Okay, is it something simple like getting a time off, or treating him or her something, or replacing whatever that's missing, right?
Or throw away getting you on.
Okay, that's the last option. But sometimes that might be the thing, because I think if the whole relationship thing or both parties are having so bad broken-hearted, it's maybe better to just move on. Yeah, and it's better for both the parties.
And here you said you are not an expert in that.
Yeah, you sound like a champion.
That's what.
Maybe got some experience. No, not really. Yeah.